Have you ever found yourself needing to send or receive money internationally through Lloyds Bank, only to hit a wall when it comes to finding the right address? It's a common stumbling block, and frankly, the concept of a single address for international bank transfers can be a bit misleading. So, let's clear up the confusion and get you the details you need to make those international payments seamless. When we talk about international bank transfers, we're not usually looking for a physical street address in the same way you'd address a letter. Instead, banks use a system of unique codes to identify themselves and ensure your money reaches the correct destination, no matter where it is in the world. The primary code you'll encounter is the SWIFT/BIC code. SWIFT stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, and BIC means Business Identifier Code. These are essentially the same thing, an international bank code that uniquely identifies a particular bank and, in some cases, even a specific branch. For Lloyds Bank, the main SWIFT/BIC code you'll typically use is LOYDGB2LXXX. The triple X at the end often indicates the head office or can be replaced by specific branch codes if you have them. However, even if you don't have a specific branch code, using the 8-character head office code, LOYDGB2L, usually ensures your payment will be routed correctly. Now, while the SWIFT/BIC code is crucial for directing the payment to the bank itself, the concept of an address for international transfers also involves the recipient's personal bank details. This includes their full name and address, their international bank account number, IBAN, and often the name and address of their bank. So, if someone is sending you money to your Lloyds Bank account from overseas, you'll need to provide them with your full name and address. This is your personal registered address with Lloyds Bank. Your IBAN. This is your international bank account number, a unique identifier for your specific bank account. You can usually find this in your online banking portal, on your bank statements, or through the Lloyds Bank mobile app. Lloyds Bank SWIFT/BIC code, as mentioned, this is generally LOYDGB2L. If you're initiating an international transfer from your Lloyds Bank account, you'll need similar details from your recipient, their full name and address, their IBAN, their bank's name and address, and their bank's SWIFT/BIC code. In some cases, particularly for payments outside the European Economic Area, EEA, you might also need a clearing code for the recipient's bank to help them identify a specific branch or business area. It's important to remember that while the core SWIFT/BIC code for Lloyds Bank is LOYDGB2L, specific branches might have slightly different, longer SWIFT codes. However, using the main 8-character code is usually sufficient. Always double-check all details with the recipient to avoid any delays or issues with your transfer. Accuracy is key when dealing with international payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.